places that you know seem like fantasy. There's a light inside your soul that's still shining in the cold, with the truth, the promise in our hearts. Don't forget, I'm with you in the dark.
Sheep had blocked the line to Mike's line, which caused him to be late. "Sheep are a nuisance," said Mike crossly at the sheds later. "Well, at least they're good for one thing," said Rex. "And that's their wool." "And you are correct," said the small controller, out of nowhere. "I want you three to collect some wool for today. You'll make us look really useful. And Rex, you'll go first because you brought it up." And Rex puffed through the countryside pulling the wool. But he had forgotten completely about old Willie. Willie was a clumsy farmer who did not pay attention to his luggage. Because of his carelessness, the cargo Willie was carrying fell onto the tracks. A waxed Willie went to get help. But as always, then there was trouble. Luckily, no one was hurt, but Rex was derailed. Luckily, Bert went to get the trucks, but Rex was sadly left there for reasons. Mike and Bert saw Rex constantly as they passed with passengers. As the passenger pointed out, there was an accident, obviously. But by that evening, Mike and Bert got Rex back on the rails and they puffed home. "We're sorry for teasing you," said Bert. "No, it was my fault," said Rex. "I should not have been so boastful." They soon arrived back to see the small controller. "Thank you three for helping me. Because of you three's hard work, we've gone from simply being called a toy railway to a really useful railway."